Happy Thursday, guys. I just got back for the day from finishing up that dual fuel system, that Rheem Bosch dual fuel heat pump 80% gas furnace job. And I'll tell you, man, after having a run of screwy customers, I've been having some really good ones lately, and people that are very, very appreciative of the work that I'm doing, the fact that I'm meticulous in how I approach their HVAC systems. You know, a lot of guys make comments, not just on YouTube, but on Facebook and just you know, in my hometown here, about speed. How fast can we get a job done? Let's hammer it out. Let's go. And you know, I'm not about that. I'm about taking my time. Make you know, like I said on that crawl job I just completed, make every screw count. Make every piece of tape you put on that job count. You know, look at the straight lines of everything. Make sure everything looks cohesive together. Looks like a craftsman put it together, and that's what we're trying to do. We're not trying to go fast. I'm not about fast production. I'm about doing a very, very clean and meticulous job on every project that I do. And you know, I think if we, as a society, come to a conclusion that that's the mindset we should have, I think everybody's going to be better for it, and customers will spend more money with you. You know, if they want a fast job, I'm the wrong guy. I'm not the guy to do the project for you. So, just want to throw that out there. This job turned out very nice. I hope you agree. Had a couple little issues with parts and stuff, but I'm not gonna dwell on that. Everything turned out good. I was able to work very methodically and get my work done fast enough for me, you know, collect my check and move on. And the most important thing is I have a very happy customer to show for it. So enjoy today's video. All right, guys, I don't know how much video I'm going to get today. Homeowner will be here soon, but I'm going to get my secondary safety switch on there. I'm going to get my vent pipe finished here to the furnace. I'm going to get my duct sealed here and insulated. Customer wanted me to drain their water heater and get the sediment out while I was here, so I'll get this hooked up first. And then I got the foam block outside and the surge protector. And that should get, oh, and the breaker and the electrical panel, which is outside. That's it. That's all we're doing today. Okay, so I got my valve shut off up there. Open this up. And let's pop our relief. Alright, perfect. Let's make sure we're draining. Alright, let's move on to sealing that duct and getting that duct insulated first. Alright, guys, we're all sealed up here on our return air. I got my round pipe into my squared around sealed all the way around. Got all my joints here sealed on the furnace and on the air cleaner. And then, like usual, if you can hear me with the fan running, I sealed off the back side with tape too, because I can't really get my hands back in there. All sealed up on that side too, so looking good. I'm gonna get her insulated and then we can work on this vent. Alright, guys, got her all wrapped, all nice. Got my filter put back in, my door in, wrapped all the way around except for the front here where the vent is. I didn't put any insulation there, so it's just metal. That's fine. Let's go see if our water heater's done draining. I hate that yellow fuzzy, man. I didn't want to buy a whole new roll of bubble wrap. Ugh, nasty. It sure doesn't seem like 75 gallons drained out of that thing. Oh no, she's still draining. Oh man, why is she not draining very fast? Maybe my relief. Oh, I bet you I hit my relief. Gosh darn it. Happens all the time. Let's see. No, she's still... What's the deal? No way that drained all the water out of that. Must have a... That's why I always swap these out when I do water heaters with a proper, just a proper gate valve, because these always get clogged up. They're junk. Ugh. Alright guys, relighting a water heater. Very simple. Put your knob onto pilot. There's a notch on the front here. Turn your knob all the way to its coolest setting. Vacation works. You're going to push this button down. I can't do it with one hand. I'm just going to tell you how. Push this button down, and then we got a little peak hole I can get my barbecue lighter in. And just hold the flame there till you see the pilot stay on. It's that easy. Then we'll put this back up. They had it on this red mark right here, so that's where we'll put it back for them. Alright guys, the old SS2 secondary safety switch. I bet there were some of you guys that thought I wasn't going to put him on right there. I'm going to get them wired in. I'm going to break, it's the 80% gas furnace, so I'm just going to break Y with it. Some of you would say I should break R, but nope, I'm going to break Y. And it's going to be just fine. It'll keep that thing from producing water. That's all we're trying to do. Let's get him on. Alright guys, there she is. Wires all nice and bundled up with the rest of them. And again, like I said, I broke R. Last thing I gotta do, tie my vent in here. Then I got my items outside. So let's get this vent tied in. Alright guys, we are 99.99999% done inside. I'm a little short. About a 6-inch piece of 3-inch. And I can go single wall in here because this is considered conditioned space in here now, so it's okay. It's not considered a garage. Code for a garage is all B vent in my jurisdiction, but we're okay. This isn't part of the garage anymore. So I gotta grab some capacitors at Johnstone anyway, so I'll be able to grab this piece of pipe here. So I'm gonna go do my stuff outside now, and then I'll head out to Johnstone. Alright guys, one last look over here of what I've done. I got my anti-tweaker caps on there per code over here in the tweaker state of Oregon. And then we have our foam block in there wedged in like it should, and then I got my line set Volcumed all the way around where it touches the foam. So you know, I learned to do all this stuff because I got tired of inspectors calling me out on BS, so I make sure there's nothing that they can find. Got my show you here. I got my proper 40 amp breaker in, labeled heat pump. Somebody didn't know how to spell furnace. They spelt it furnace, but whatever. And then, oh, why is that not going up? Hold on, guys. Of course it's not. There it is. Sorry, those are kind of tricky sometimes. And then I got my Mars Amazon special surge protector to do 120 volts or 240 volts. So that's wired straight on my panel here. This is serving as the disconnect because the unit's right there. So yeah, we're done on this side. I gotta go to Johnstone and get that 3-inch piece of pipe now. Alright guys, we're nice and vented here. Got 3 equally spaced screws and all my single wall stuff here. Everything's all sealed and nice. Easy to get the filter out like I promised him. Had to do a little doop-de-doo to make it happen, but it is what it is. I'm going to go fire the furnace up for the first time. I'm going to get my pressures in low fire, or and high fire my gas pressures. I'm going to go double check my heat pump, charge it up in subcooling. I'm trying to hurry and get out of here, so probably not going to get any video of that. The homeowner is going to be home here shortly. I will be doing it on my brother's system here in a week or two. I'll have more time to do dialogue with it if you want to learn that, and I can show you how to check your gas pressures on your gas furnaces. And I do have videos of how to charge up those Bosch heat pumps if you're interested. But job turned out nice. I need to put my company sticker on it right there, and yeah, we're pretty much done other than my commissioning. Looks good. I like it. And you've seen the outside already, so I'm out. Okay guys, I'm back after running all my tests. I just want to give you guys one last look at my system here. Everything is looking sweet, nice and tight. Always do a quality job on your installs and you'll get lots of repeat business like I do. Got my sticker up there, got my install date on it. You want the best residential retrofit installations in Central Oregon, give me a call. Look forward to helping you.